Hello everybody and welcome to Plan with Ivy. My name is Ivy and today we're going to be doing another rewind plan with me because I forgot to film and plan last week. So we're gonna just do a rewind plan this week and I'm going to talk to you guys about, I don't know, I'll figure that out when I actually film the talking portion, but for now we're just going to do a rewind spread using these No Etsy stickers. These are all from Michaels and I told you guys I want to try and do more No Etsy kits this year because I want to use my No Etsy stickers. So we're going to be doing this like a full pink and gold glam spread, so I think it's going to turn out really cute. And without further ado, let's get planning. Everybody, and welcome to this week's talk through portion of the plan with me. So this week I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I'm trying to do so many No Etsy sticker kits this year. It's mainly because I want to use my leftovers, because if you've been with me since the beginning of my planner channel, then you know that I have used so many kits. And I have a lot of leftovers from those kits, like little things that I don't use very often, checklists, and headers, and full boxes, half boxes, deco stickers, icon stickers. I just have so many of them left over that literally I have a whole drawer basically dedicated to leftover stickers. And so by forcing myself to only have full box stickers, I'm forcing myself to use those leftover stickers. Like you see for this week, I have a lot of icon stickers that I've used that are like the regular character stickers I use, but like the quarter box stickers and the washi tape. I'm forced to use things from my washi collection. I have a very big washi collection. And then I'm also forced to use my little thing stickers from previous kits. And I'm also forced to use my Michael stickers that I never usually reach for, but when I do a No Etsy kit, I reach for them.
Don't let me down, don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down.
Running out of time, I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side.
I need you, I need you, I need you right now.
Something that I also really like about No Etsy kit spreads is that it forces me to be a little bit more creative than I usually am, because it uses more of my design skills than I usually do in like a regular plan with me. Like with when I use a whimsical kit spread, I basically have everything laid out for me. I have all the deco stickers I need. I have all the little things and half boxes and quarter boxes and all those things I need. But with it's kit spread, it forces me to be a little bit more creative than I usually am. Like figuring out ways to bring out certain colors. Like I noticed that there's like a peachy color in some of the full boxes, so I bring out a peachy washi, or I use more peachy stickers. Or like the gold tones in the full boxes in washi also look yellowish, so you see in like the second half of the spread I use a little bit more yellow, and that brings that out a little bit more, and so it looks like a really cute spread by the end of the video. And I use a whole bunch of stickers to do it instead of just like pigeonholing myself to what comes in a kit. And I'm doing the same thing next week, where I only Well, you'll see when you guys stay till the end. But this really forces you to be creative and something that I highly suggest to you guys.
So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. 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 Don't let me down.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. Again, this was another remind spread, so I didn't do as many things as I would usually do when I plan like a usual week in my life, but I still like the way this turned out. I love the full boxes at the top, and I love how the sidebar turned out. Actually, I was afraid that I was going to be a little bit too lazy with it, but I wanted to do something that didn't involve hand layering just because it's really late at night and I wanted to go to bed. But I think this turned out really cute with the little quotes from the sheets, and this way I can actually use these sheets as well, so that's good actually. Put that there. Yes. So yeah, just like putting these little circle things in the middle of one of these full boxes, because I think it adds just so much more to what you're decorating. It just adds a little something. I think this looks really cute. Tell me what you think and comment down below. And I just want to say thank you to Stay Ever Raven for commenting in last week's video. Thank you so much, girl, for commenting and being a long-time subscriber. If you guys ever wonder if I know who has subscribed and who hasn't, I have. And thank you for being a long-time subscriber. And if you guys want to be shout out in next week's video, don't forget to comment down below in this one. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week I'm going to be doing an actual plan with me. I'm actually planning what I'm doing for the week, and I'm going to be using these full box stickers from Saucy Sticker Co. And this is a Marie kit. So Marie from the Aristocats, one of my all-time favorite Disney movies that is so underrated, but I just love that movie, and I love Marie because Marie. If you guys didn't know, my middle name is Marie, and so Marie, so automatically I love her. And this goes to my girly theme of the month, so this is a very ladylike French Parisian girly kit, and so I'm very excited to use this for next week. I'm gonna have to pull in a lot of extra stickers, which will help me dwindle down my sticker collection, which will also be good. So I hope you guys are excited for this next one. If you are, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!
Again.